Mode formula what? Mode equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Right? Now here in these frequencies, which one is highest value? That value write first, F1. So here keep F1 is equal to what? F1 equal to 12. F1 before value what? F0. F1 after F2. So F1 line only take this is L. These values are H equal to 5. Okay. Now write here L equal to lower boundary of the model class. Lower boundary of the model class 60 to 65, that equal to 60 take. Okay. Next one F1 equal to what? Frequency of the model class. Frequency of the model class equal to 12. F0 frequency of the preceding the model class. Frequency of the preceding the frequency of model class. Frequency of model class. That equal to F0 equal to 7. F2 equal to frequency of the succeeding the frequency of the model class. Means what? That equal to 9. Now H equal to size of the model class. Size of the model class equal to 5. This value is substitute in formula. Okay. Now mode equal to L value what? 60 plus F1 equal to 12 minus F0 7 by 2 into 12 minus 7 minus 9 into 5. Okay. Now observe here 60 plus 12 minus 7 5 by 12 is 24 minus 7 minus 9 both are negative values, right? So addition only minus value will get minus 16 into 5. 60 plus 5 is 25. 24 minus 16 8. So 25 division to 8 3 is 24 1 0.8 8 1 is 8 minus 2 again 0. So 3.1 take, that equal to 60.3.1. So 63.1 is the mode. Means L value which one? 60 to 65 only. So 60 to 65 only getting 63.1. Mode means what? Most repeating number. 63.1 number is repeating how many times? 12 times repeating that number. Understand? So first write these values. Which one is the highest value? That value F1. Before value F0. F1 after F2. L value, H value. What is L? Lower boundary of the model class. What is F0? F1 frequency of the class, model class. F0 frequency of the preceding the model class. F2 equal to succeeding the model class. H equal to size of the model class. Like this, right? Values are after that substitute. 12 minus 7. Some members writing 7 minus 12. Here minus value will get. So here value is positives only coming, not getting negatives. Okay? Observe here 12 minus 7 positive value. So after that 2 12 and minus 7 minus 9. This value is also some members say plus value writing or subtraction doing. Okay, so this is minus 7 minus 9 minus 16 only, right? Into 5, 5 5 is 25, 24 minus 8, 8. This is division 3.1. Okay, so 60 plus 3, 63.1 is the mole. Okay, right?